Hello, welcome to the Clever Car Collection. Today we're going to show you our spares or repairs, remember that, spares or repairs, Audi A4 Avant. Now, this car has been in our possession for quite some time. We imported this from Japan. Unfortunately, it's had a few problems with the engine that we cannot get to the bottom of. So this would suit somebody who perhaps is, home mechanic or a mechanic, someone who wants to fix something up, because actually on the outside, Luke will show you as we walk around it, this car is beautiful, very, very nice condition, really nice alloy wheels, inside, very nice too. We'll have a little look at that in a moment in a little bit more detail, but there have been some problems with it. It has got an intermittent engine fault which we just can't get to the bottom of. We're throwing quite a bit of money at this. It's had a service, it's had a number of different things at a number of different garages who've had a look at it. 3 ABS sensors were replaced in May 2026 at a cost of about £500. Fault on cylinder 1 was diagnosed and new spark plugs were fitted in May at a cost of £450. We also had the PCV valve replaced at the same time, and then number 1 injector was replaced in July. Sadly, it has still got that intermittent fault, and to be honest with you, we've kind of got to the end of our tether with it and also end of our budget. So that's why it's up for sale, or spares or repairs. Now, as you can see from the outside, like I say, looking good. If we've had a little walk around it, very nice colour. It's got these black tinted rear windows. It's the A4 Avant, so it's got the big boot, loads of space in the back for this leaf, and also this piece of plastic. There's a bottle of water here, half drunk. We will throw that in free of charge. No extra cost for that. But yes, as I say, this is being sold spares or repairs, which means it comes with no warranty. But if you know your cars, you might be able to fix this one up and get yourself a bit of a bargain. So it's got the 208 brake horsepower 2-litre petrol engine. It's got an automatic DSG gearbox. The other thing that we've noticed with it is occasionally there's an issue with the stereo where the speakers have a sort of popping noise. We're not sure what that is, but to be honest with you, we're too preoccupied with the engine to work out what was wrong with the speakers. It's covered only 54,500 miles, so not a huge amount of miles. It was MOT'd in March the 2nd, had 2 advisories for Paris tyres. We haven't changed those. I don't think, actually, have we changed those?
I do not remember.
I do not remember. So, no, they're still, yeah, you can see there's a little bit of cracking on the tyres, but it was a minor advisory, so something you can fix at some stage in the future if you so wish. So, yeah, let's just have a quick look inside. You've had a little look around the outside. Thank you, Luke. You do it from that side. Very hot in here, but good news, got air conditioning. Also, we do have 2 keys with it, like so. And if I start it up now, so you can see started up, no warning lights on the dash, but it is just an occasional issue that we do seem to find sometimes does run a little bit not very smoothly. So, I mean, if you know what you're doing, you'll probably be able to get to the bottom of this. Let me turn that stereo off. Okay, so if you want more information, please contact us. It's James. I'm James at clevercarcollection.com is my email. You can also email all the team at hello@clevercarcollection.com. You can come and see this car and take it away. Please don't negotiate on the price, because we've already lost an absolute huge ton of money on it. So the price is the price. Come and have a look, take it away. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.